Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make a pop song for students. So I've come to ChatGPT, this is the paid version, and I said, I need your help in writing a pop song for A2 level students on the second conditional imagery. Let's have it be a 1 minute and 30-second long song. One verse to explain, and then we'll do the chorus to explain. Explains, and the verses give examples. Okay. All right. So I hit this. All right. So short little song, easy peasy. Lyrics look good, seem correct. Oh, I like that. Good. So I will show you my next one. All right. So they've made the songs. Let's give it a listen.
If I had a little boat, I would sail across the sea. If I found a golden key, I would open dreams for me. If I lived up in the sky, I would dance upon a cloud. If I had a lion friend, I would sing and laugh out loud. But I am here, and that is okay. I can dream in a different way. If I had, I would go second conditional. Now we know how simple after if. Then what to show the gift.
I like it.
If I had a little boat, I would sail across the sea. If I found a golden key, I would open dreams for me. If I lived up in the sky, I would dance upon a cloud. If I had a lion friend, I would sing and laugh out loud. But I am here, and that is okay. I can dream in a different way. If I had, I would go second conditional. Now we know.
Okay.
How simple after if. Then what to show the gift. If I were a star tonight, I would shine a city.
I actually prefer the second one. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it and then upload it into my next one. All right.
Oh, you should just send me the how-to video when you're
I-
done.
Okay, so here we go. This is Revid. I'm going to be making a video. I'm going to be making a video that is, these are the ones I've already made. I'm going to make a new video. I'm going to make a, if you look over here, a landscape video with stock footage of K-pop dancers, 16 and 9, and then I'm going to upload my audio, desktop. This is the song. It's going to upload, and then it's going to load it, and then I send it, and it's going to tell me how many credits. Credits are pretty cheap. I have 1870. Depending on what you do, stock video is pretty cheap. The other types are more or less expensive depending on what you want. I'm going to go with a movie, and then see how many that is. You do. I chose movie style. It's gonna think through the setup. All right. How many credits do we need to ask? So it will cost about $450 for a high quality, fully synchronized 30-second AI creation video. So I'm not going to go with that one because that's too expensive. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to switch. I'm going to go to, okay, let's change. All right. And you just follow this through. All right. Enter in chat. I want to, all right. Woohoo. So we're going to go with upload a file. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go with AI video. No. Moving AI images takes the least amount of things. All right. I don't want to do movie. I'm going to do, I'll just do realism. All right. And then we're going to go base. And all right. And then this will cost 25 credits, which is a lot less. And then that's it. And then it makes it. And it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to make it. And I will share the finished video with you when it's all done.
If I had a little boat, I would sail across the sea. If I found a golden key, I would open dreams for me. If I lived up in the sky, I would dance upon a cloud. If I had a lion friend, I would sing and laugh out loud. But I am here, and that is okay. I can dream in a different way. If I had, I would go second conditional. Now we know past simple after if. Then would to show the gift. If I were a star tonight, I would shine a silver light. Not real now, but fun to say. Imagine worlds can fly away. If I won 1,000,000 coins, I would buy a house of cake. If I met a friendly dragon, I would ride across the lake. If I could